Good morning everyone. Right now it is really early in the morning. I've been up for hours, but what I've just completed is this gorgeous pumpkin. Very simple, and I've used some like a sleeve. So I've cut the sleeve. I'm not going to show you how to do it because it's really easy to explain. I've cut the sleeve about 6 inches, sew around the bottom and pull it right in like that. Fill it with your wadding and then sew around the top and pull that in. But before you put the wadding in, put a disc in. So it's got a disc, just a circle of chipboard. Glue that into the base, fill the wadding with wadding, and then stitch around the top, pull it in, but leave enough, like I left a finger space, because then what you do is you get this, which is we sell this in the shop in several sizes, and all you do is you put a little bit of glue on the end, wrap that round to make yourself a point, and then you just glue it around and twist it. Keep gluing and twisting till you've got enough to do about 3 lengths. So you've got 3 lengths like that, and once it's twisted you fold it all together and then twist it again, and you end up with quite a thick band. And then what you can do is you use this to wrap around the stalk, and then you can twist it whatever shape you want. If you want to do it with string or you want to do it some other way, you do that, but that's what I used just to make the stalk, and then I glued that in the middle. I then took some cord, which I shall show you. Let me wrap this up. I took some cord that matched the material, which is that, and then I wrapped it around the pumpkin and pulled it in slightly to give that pumpkin shape. Once I'd done that, then I just used some of these fabric leaves. I take the backs off because these are hard, and then I just stuck so many in and around, and then on top of that just some berries, some plants, all acrylic, and decorated it, and I think that looks great. So we've got a shabby chic pumpkin, and you can make a whole range of them, different sizes, and put them on the fireplace, wherever you want to do it. They're not hard to do at all. And I just thought, I've already got several pumpkin tutorials up, but I liked this one because it was done with a, you know, sleeve. Really easy. An old jumper, anything will do. Just anything, and then you can bend and shape it how you want. They are so simple. So again, I'm going to run through that with you. Right, you're going to take a piece of chipboard and you need to cut a circle from that. Once you've got that, take the sleeve, cut about 6 inches, sew the bottom, glue the chipboard to the bottom on the inside obviously, and then stitch around the top once you've filled it with your wadding or whatever it is you're filling it with. If you know wadding, newspaper, whatever it is, as long as you get that shape. And then if you've got leaves, use these. If you don't have any leaves, you can make them. You can make them from paper, from fabric. I've got a little bit of fabric here. Any shape leaf will do. I mean, if you've got it, print it off the internet. Now I'm not sure if my scissors will cut this. Probably not. I'll draw one. Whatever you want to do. Just cut it. And then, like I say, you can I would then double that. If you use a little bit of glue or Mod Podge, you can then coat it and leave it to dry, and it'll give you that stiffness, but they don't have to be stiff at all. They don't have to be stiff. You can do them anyhow you choose. So you've got a little bit of a leaf there. Doesn't have to be perfect at all. You can still cut into it and define it a little bit more. Really easy. Okay, so you've got that. And then what you do is you just lay that down. You could cover it with glue, Mod Podge, anything like that. Let that stiffen, or stiffener, although be careful with stiffener because it'll go extremely stiff and then you won't be able to move it. And you complete them like that if you want, and then you add them to your project. It's completely up to you how you do them. Make them from whatever you choose to make them from. And then, like I say, add some berries, some plants. These are just stamen, little plants I use for my miniatures. And you end up with a nice chic, not shabby but chic pumpkin. So easy. Oh, you can make loads of them, you know. And at autumn time, if you have a shop, they'd sell. So that's it. That's going up for sale, and I'm just going to put a little base on that. Now, I did find my beige. Where did I put it? Here we are. I found my beige felt to do my bits and pieces. So I'm just going to cut a piece. Just to smooth it off. That will be for sale. So yeah. Like that. Pop that on there, which will secure it all. Brilliant. And there you go. What a lovely pumpkin. I'm thrilled with it. So easy. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.